We take a lot of beautiful pictures, but never really have time to print them. Also, we often use our old photos because we're too lazy to take a new one from the studio. It could be nice to have someone printing our photos and delivering it to our doorstep, right? Well, here we are. Printapp, a pan-Indian mobile application that brings your printed pictures home. Just click a picture using your phone or choose a photo from your gallery, upload it in the Printapp application, and let us know the size of the image you prefer. Our designers will enrich your photos, print it in higher resolution, and will deliver it to you in quick time. Be it a rural village or metro city, our service is available irrespective of your location. What are you waiting for? Download Printapp today. Save the memories that can't be recreated.